Hello and welcome back. Real quick before we get started, just a reminder to please do like, subscribe, and share with others you think would enjoy our content. That all really helps the channel out. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 34. We start with this box. We're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 7, 9. For this top row, we're missing 2, 6, and 9. We've got a 2 and 9 here, so this is our 6. I don't see any other help, so 2, 9, 2, 9. For this row, we're missing 4, 6, and 8. We've got a 4 and 6 here, so this is our 8. 6 here, so 4, 6. For this column, we're missing 4 and 5. I don't see any help. So 4, 5, 4, 5. For this column, we're missing 1, 5, and 7. We've got the 7 here and the 5 here. That means this is our 1, 5, 7. For this box now, we're missing 3, 4, and 5. I don't see any help. So 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. For this column, we're missing 2, 5, and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 2, 5, 2 here, so 7, 5, 7 here, so 2, 5. That means our 7 has to be here. For this column, we're missing 1, 5, and 6. Got the 1 here, so 5, 6. 6 covering both of these boxes, so 1, 5, 1, 5. That means that our 6 has to be here. For this column, we're missing 2, 3, and 9. We've got 2 and 3 here, so this is our 9. That 3 means this is our 2, 3. I'm just looking at this box here, and the only place our 2 can be is here. That makes this our 5. For this row now, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 2 here, so 1, 2. That 2 makes this our 9, 2. For this box now, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got an 8 here, so 9, 8. For this row, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 2 here, so 1, 2. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 4 here, so 7, 4. For this column now, we're missing 1 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 1, 8. That 1 makes this our 5, 1. We can get rid of this 5. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 4 here, so 7, 4. That 4 makes this our 5 and 4. And we can get rid of this 5. For this box, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 5, 7. For this column, we're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 3, 6. This 4 makes this our 3, 4. To finish off this box, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 1 here. So 5 and 1. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a very good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.